Hi guys, it's Nikki and Watson, and we are here because it is Stitch Fix Day. So first of all, Watson is feeling so much better. And Watson, are you feeling so much better? Give me a kiss. Yeah, feeling so much better. So he is going to be actively participating in our unboxing today. So we got the box, and those of you who have watched my videos, it's been a little bit longer in between, so I'm very antsy and anxious to get going on this one. First of all, Happy New Year to everyone, and for those of you who have not watched me before, welcome. I'm a stylist for Stitch Fix, but I used to do these videos before I was, so I'm also a customer, and I like to watch others do their unboxing videos, and so that's why I'm doing this. So anyway, welcome, Happy New Year, thanks for joining. Here's my return envelope. Here is my happy note from my wonderful stylist, myself, clearly. This bag. Watson, what do you think is in this bag? A pair of shoes. So I styled myself. Okay. So this is a short gray ankle booty that we are going to take a bathroom break. One moment. Okay, so these, I remember picking these. I don't know if you can see the texture on them, but they're gray and they're one of the shorter ankle booties, if you can kind of see that height. So I like them because they have this little bit of a texture, which reminds me of a snakeskin look, which I am not fully prepared to wear snakeskin yet at this point in my life. Who knows, maybe next week I will be. But I thought this was kind of a fun way to try it, so I'm going to try these on. These are also an interesting height. So excited to try those on. Watson, what do you think? You like those? Okay, sorry, loud paper. Okay, this is kind of fun. Okay, so this is the Nick and Zoe Perfect Mock Neck Knit Top. So this is a knit top. It is white. It is made of t-shirt-like material. It has this fun little mock neck. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, that's the back of it. So I'm going to try this on because I thought it would be kind of fun. I think I could use a white t-shirt with this fun mock neck with a lot of things. So that is something I hadn't seen before. So, oh gosh. I'm going to be so busted this fix because it's everything that I said I wouldn't do again. Okay, so I know you probably think I have a jacket like this, but I actually don't. My other one has silver zippers, okay? So I needed one with just black zippers. That's really it. So I'm going to try this one on, and if I like it, I will keep it. And I don't care how many of the people in my family comment about the number of jackets I have. Okay, next, and here is the gray camouflage hoodie. It's really kind of a light camouflage pattern, and this one is Threads for Thought. It's the Yamelia fleece-lined hooded pullover. I like it because it has a little bit of a longer length than some of the hoodies I've received lately, and obviously I like this print. Enough said there too. And again, like I said, this is almost like something I don't even want to film anymore, but this not only combines my obsession with camel, which I haven't had any for a while. Okay, so this next item is a combination of my early obsession with camo and then my constant obsession with jackets. However, this is a lightweight bomber jacket. I'm sure many of you have seen this. This is by Dear John, and I like the fit, or the way bomber jackets fit. So I have been looking at this one on and off for probably the last 6 to 8 months, and I finally decided to send it to myself. So I'm going to try all of these things on, and Watson and I Watson is not happy. Watson and I will be back to show you what they look like. Hey you guys, actually before I left, I wanted to tell you that everything I'm wearing is from Stitch Fix. So these black booties are the Mia Leather Maddock booties. These are the faux leather Spanx leggings. This is a paper moon cardigan. It's an olive color. And actually I'm wearing my own V-neck white t-shirt, but I do have one from Stitch Fix. They're just impossible to get. The most basic white t-shirt that I love. Impossible to get. So anyway, this look is all Stitch Fix. All right, okay. Try it. So here are the boots and the shirt. Oh, first of all, this shirt is very wrinkly. It kind of probably looks like there's a seam down the front of it right now, but it is not. It's completely seam free. So this is what it looks like. Actually, I have it kind of tucked in right now, so the length of it is yay long, and so it can be left out pretty comfortably, and you can also tuck it in, and I really like it. Watson, what do you think? Yeah, he is getting much more. He knows that, yeah, okay. So we'll probably stop for a minute here. Okay, so anyway, this is what it looks like. You can kind of see it up close. So yeah, I think it's really cute. I don't see why I wouldn't keep it. And I think it's, I don't know exactly what the price is, so we'll go over those at the end, but I think it's fairly inexpensive. So anyway, on to the shoes. If you guys can see them. I'm not sure if you can. So maybe we'll do a shot of these separately so that you can actually see the shoe, which is one of my things that I really want to see in other people's videos. Like, make sure you show me the shoes because that's important. Okay, so anyway, these are the shoes and I like them. They're a little interesting for me, and so I'd kind of like your feedback on these because I typically wear a taller boot, and maybe it's not a higher heel, but it just looks different. So I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. But I do like the color, and I think they're kind of fun because they're shorter than some of my other ones. So I'm a little torn on these. They feel pretty comfortable, so that's always one of the things that's important. Instead of just buying the shoes, make sure they're comfortable, as I have learned a few times now. So anyway, what do you think of these? I like them, but I would love your feedback. I'm gonna make this pretty easy because I just have a couple of jackets and a sweatshirt. So, okay, yeah, so I like this sweatshirt, by the way, but everything has like this deep seam down it. So once again, this sweatshirt does not have a seam down it, but I just discovered right now, I didn't even know it, it has thumb holes. I love that. This is a very soft sweatshirt. It's pretty lightweight, but still cozy. It's so comfortable, and I'm already in love with it. So, I mean, you could wear it with something like this, and I'll probably just grab that jacket and throw it on over this. Or I'm most likely gonna wear this with joggers and tennies on a comfortable day too. But yeah, so this is this sweatshirt, which I will tell you the price and such at the end, and I'm just gonna go add that jacket out. Okay, so I just threw on the jacket over the hoodie, of course, and like I said, this jacket is extremely different from my other black leather jackets. First of all, see these kind of neat cutouts in the back? I think that's really cool, and obviously all the zippers are black, so it's very different than others I've received. Also, I love it. So this one too, you can unzip the zippers, but they don't just dangle around and get in your way when you're eating and things like that. So this is this jacket. I like this jacket. I'm probably going to keep this jacket. So Watson, yeah, he's really got a lot of energy today, huh? Okay, so I haven't even seen this. Okay, and I do love it already. So this is that bomber jacket. Like I said, it's very lightweight. I mean, this is not warm in any way, shape, or form. What I wanted, it's also very wrinkled, but I will wash these things. So here's what it looks like zipped up, and it's got kind of the zippers and things. Looks like, and so yeah, I really like the zipper on the sleeve, but I don't feel like it's overly zippered, if you know what I mean. So, and I'm kind of starting to get used to these booties. I'm wearing them throughout this try-on, but I still feel like they look a little bit different on my feet. So again, feedback on the booties, because so far looks like I might be keeping everything else. So I'm done, so we'll grab the prices and wrap up, and then hopefully Watson will wake up. Wake up. Hi, Watsy. You want to help me? Huh? Okay. Okay, so Watson's here. We are going to go through the prices. I know I was very inconsistent whether or not I said what an item was and what the cost was. So here we go. All right, so the Threads for Thought Yanelia fleece lined hoodie in dark gray, this one, that is $58. Okay. The next one is this bomber jacket that I have on right now. This is the Dear John Casco bomber jacket, and that is $78. So yeah. And then one moment. So the next one is the Blank NYC. It's the Naleen faux leather moto jacket. This guy is $98, but come on, black zippers. Okay. All right, and so the next thing on the list is the Moses, Report Footwear, the Moses textured booty. These booties that I'm still a little conflicted about. So let me know your thoughts on the booties. It's, first of all, I have a lot of booties. Okay, just deal with it. The last item, did I even say the price of those? Okay, so the booties are $70. Not the worst price, not the best. So the last item on the list is the Nick and Zoe Perfect mock neck top. White, size small. I was very wrong. Oh, it says my battery's dying. Hopefully you guys can still see this. Okay, so, sorry about that. So this Nick and Zoe blah, 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 what I just said, I thought it was really inexpensive, but it's actually $68. So I like it, and I probably will keep it because of Stitch Fix math, and I think I will actually use this quite a bit. Like, you can dress this up so easily and also dress it down. Just jeans and a pair of Converse. Okay, so I think I went through everything, and I don't know if there's anything else I need to say. If you guys have not ever tried Stitch Fix, click on my link below and just give it a shot. And we're gonna have so many things that have to be edited out of this video, and I'm apologetic for that. The last thing I want to say is thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the kind words that the people have commented. Thank you for caring about Watson, even though he's become a very boring addition to my Stitch Fix videos lately. But he is feeling better, and yeah. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the week, and talk to you soon. Can you talk to me? Huh? Are you taking a nap again? Okay. All right. Oh, so that's what you want. All the attention. Okay. Okay. We will be back shortly.